त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्ते माते कृपा कर नम्रता प्रोत बाबूश मंसेरात चरणाकडे महालक्ष्मी आज चरणाकडे भेट घेतली असा पावन बोलणेचा कोणी कन्स्टिट्युएन्सी उभा होता त्या संदर्भात महालक्ष्मी ग्रामदेवी चरणाकडे सेवा केली असा बरे बरेचदा यश प्राप्ती करून ती किती मनोरथ आशा प्राप्ती करून ती त्याकडून चाहतात म्हणजे जे भरभराट करून.
For the past 25 years, what has happened in Panjim, people of Panjim knows. So I feel the Panjim needs a change. What my humble request to the people of Panjim is one simple thing. You all have given the other party 25 years. You just give me 5 years and see how I change the face of Panjim.
Assembly election पणजे चडशी BJP support करता BJP stronghold आसा कशी कितें tackle करता.
There's nothing called stronghold, you know. See, every candidate has got to work. I always believe. MLA has got to work. It is unlike the United States, what happened, there's a recall of a senator. If basically a senator doesn't do his job properly, he can be recalled. There is no such provision in our constitution. So I believe if there was such provision, long back the Panjim of the MLA of Panjim would have been recalled. See, we are still in talks with the Congress party. I think today evening will come.
Alliance is a positive sign, sir.
Alliance, there are positive signs going on.
Alliance
No, it is no matter what. I am in Panjim. That's it.
Okay. Do you blame Mr. Parrikar or Siddharth?
I don't blame. I blame the person's vision. The person has no vision. Whoever represented this constituency for past 25 years.
Okay. After election, BJP government form करताल तुम्ही support करून सरकारावटेन रावतले.
There is no question of BJP forming a government this time. There is a clear anti-BJP.
Are you eyeing for Kumbharjo also?
No, I am not. Nakat Madkekar is a friend of mine. Our very important thing is to convince the people of Panjim why they need a change. There were around 15,000 jobs in these last 5 years. This government had announced and came out. I would like to ask the people, or rather you all would ask the people, how many from these jobs did the people of Panjim get? In spite of the MLA being the chief minister. Our main two planks will be development and employment. As I said before, that I will see to it that one job in a family, government job, that one person in a family will get a government. That is my issue. That is the message what I want you to convey to our and to our youth. I know I have got a very good backing in yours. You all are my backbone. I may not get enough time basically to cover the full area. I will try to make time meet to cover the areas and to cover each and every house. Because I always believe the connect to the people is very important. I believe the connect to the people is you are connecting to people's hearts. So I want you all to be my emissaries in the meantime. Before I reach to them, that you should convey my word to them. That why we are coming to Panaji.